Hey, what's up, guys? Dave Kunstek here, Joe Ruffino, Fletcher Seats Restaurant Marketing. We're sitting here in the back of Biagio's restaurant here.
Right here.
Having a conversation.
My corner table in my office.
I've known Joe for about 6 months now.
Yeah.
We've been back and forth. We've done some marketing things together. I run a program for him. But I get a lot of questions from my clients about does it really work and so forth and what's involved. And obviously, me being a marketer and a salesperson, they don't always believe me. But so I wanted to have Joe here is going to give you a quick preview of like what we're doing and the way this kind of a program works. So you want to just in your own words for a little bit.
Listen, the bottom line is, this is going to get you return on your investment. Okay, you're going to put out the amount of money you're putting out and the people you're going to reach. Because what's going to happen is they're going to buy into your program. If you go wholeheartedly into this, you can create anywhere from 10 to 12 offers, and you put yourself, you have to diverse into it. So you have to say you have to give something a 6 to 1 year time frame. Now, a couple things you're going to build with this. You're going to acquire information. So when you acquire information, that information you're going to be able to have to use at a later date. You're creating a BuzzFeed, and you're trying to build a culture around what you do.
And the information we're collecting is people on Facebook Messenger, Instagram. We're getting mobile numbers, cell phone. It's been around for a long time.
Like most of you probably don't even realize that in your computer, in your POS systems, if you have online ordering, you probably have a database of information that you're not utilizing.
Nope.
To give you an example, right now we have about 18,000 people that we can, on a push of a button, and we're setting that up as we speak, we can change what happens in an evening from 8 to 10 and 8 to 11 for our customers out there to, outside of this, receive other offers. Because, listen, people say, oh, you're giving special. Listen, you have to create incentive. Look at, there's a diet plan out there that they advertise. I'm not going to say who, but if you look at this diet plan and their marketing, they do the same thing year in and year out. You know why? Because they're making the same dollars year in and year. That's marketing. It's repetition. It's like you want big biceps. You don't have to lift big weights, but let's do some reps.
Yep.
That's it. So you're going to get big biceps. It's the same thing with marketing. This is a kind of system where you're acquiring information, you're giving a deal, and here's the thing, and we'll get into it in a later conversation, because the problem with people are afraid to do things and give deals, BOGOs, and things such as that, because their menu isn't priced right to start with. That's where the other problem is. They're losing money already on their menu because they're being told that you should be pricing this way. Well, that's a whole other thing we'll talk about. You know my thoughts on that. All right, because it's the whole system needs people want to talk about prime cost. Okay, we can talk prime cost, but before we go to prime, those of you who say that, don't price the way I've heard some of you say.
Because when I talk to people, they get scared of doing the BOGO. When I say BOGO,
because they have price strike.
Yeah, to buy one, get one.
They don't understand their menu. They don't understand menu engineering. So this here, just a thing of we've acquired so much information. I've acquired information. I can send out an email, text, or something right now. 18,000 people. I can give a deal. Who knows what deal? 10% off. That's a deal.
Yeah.
10% off any ticket tonight. Pick up, delivery.
Now you have that list, so you don't have to be as aggressive anymore.
I don't have to be as aggressive.
It's when you're building the list.
Right.
You got to be a little
but
more
that
aggressive.
list, by the time we're done, that list could be about 35,000, 40,000 people.
Oh, yeah.
So
Especially
now
with
I can change the dynamics of our sales in a matter of a 3-hour period. Statistically, if I had 2% of that call in an order, and
2% of 18,000.
2% of 40,000 when it's there. Think about it. I could crush us.
1%.
Yeah. So
400 orders.
you guys got to realize, one, to do these kind of deals, you got to make sure you look at your menu and don't be scared of your menu. Don't say, I love when people say, well, my customer won't pay for that. What do you?
I hear that all the time.
Listen,
People think it cheapens their brand.
You have to realize nothing cheap. You need to create offers and enthusiasm. Because there's going to be a person coming in with a BOGO, and then you're going to have the person coming in, they're going to be paying the price that they should pay. This is called marketing 101. This is what happens. And you have deals for things that you're going to create at different times, but it's the overall sheer progression of marketing and not being scared. And the final thing is having the information that you'll acquire with this kind of thing, and you're going to get people in their seats. So now let's just say this. You go through 10 to 12 offers, and you've got the people Well, we do good customer service. So what do we try? The first time they come in, we're trying to overwhelm them with what we do. The second time, you don't think by maybe the 10th or 11th time that they've come in that they could have gotten used to and seen the difference of our way, of the Biagio way?
Absolutely.
What's that worth it to you? So now what'd you do? Maybe you built another relationship with a wonderful customer that now you're going to be part of their lives. Maybe then it turns into catering. It turns into a house party, a pizza party, something. But you get to know their name. How you doing, Bob? How you doing, Elaine? Marie, Joe. This is your time to shine.